60 seconds with Femi, correct. Pidgin yannings, now what they do. And make we talk about what happened yesterday between Manchester United versus Wolves. Man United fans, they don't they vex, they don't they complain, they don't they analyze everything will happen. See this one. See as this one take analyze them. Well, Man United then lose to Wolves again. 2-1. Now Manchester United lose to Wolves again. And many people don't they say, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, they don't give you contract. What thing they happen? Now say the players, they know they play again for you. I be now say the players, their quality no good. Who you want me to throw away? Who you want me to bring inside? I want to ask the fans, because if Manchester United go feel lose to Wolves, then they go play Barcelona for Champions League 2 times. So EB said they don't already lose for Champions League. EB said they don't already lose for Champions League. So how you think with the way Man United they go, see their position for inside league. Man United go fit enter this top 4 finally with the way things they go. This is not the result of the games that they play for English Premier League, and the one we concern ourselves for inside Spain La Liga match, Villarreal and Barcelona.